So what happens when you get a OP black housing and you throw a Husky stem there? Well, you get these bad boys. These are surprisingly really smooth. I really wasn't expecting these switches to be that smooth, like, at all. I also did put a 63 gram slow spring in here, since I wasn't really a fan of the 65 gram that was originally in the OP blacks. And I think that helps make this switch more rounded sounding, I think. I'll play a sound test, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks.